children, here I will discuss how to reduce the given equations into slope-intercept form. Mostly students getting confused between slope-intercept form and intercept form. But you have to remember actually a general form of slope-intercept form and also an intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y is equals to mx plus c, and intercept form is x upon a plus y upon b, which is equals to 1. But this one I will discuss later. First of all, I will discuss slope-intercept form. Here we have to reduce these equations into slope-intercept form, and also we have to find out slopes and their y-intercepts. Here m means slope as we are knowing, and c means a distance from the origin towards y-axis. It means, in short, I can say this is not just a constant but y-intercept. Now here your equation is x plus 7y, which is equals to 0. To reduce it into this form, I have to shift obviously x towards RHS. So here I will get 7y, which is equals to minus x. Here constant value I don't have, so here I will write down plus 0. Now after that I want y. Here with y I don't want any constant. So what I should do? Divide both this side by 7. So you will get y is equals to minus 1 upon 7x plus 0. So here slope. Now compare this equation with the general form of slope-intercept form. So here we are getting, while we are comparing, here we will get m is equals to minus 1 upon 7 and y-intercept, that is c, is equals to 0. Now one more equation here I have written. That is 6x plus 3y minus 5, which is equals to 0. So obviously I have to convert into the general form, that is y is equals to mx plus c. So I have to shift these both values towards RHS. So here I will get 3y, which is equals to minus 6x plus 5. Now obviously I have to remove this constant 3 also. So divide both this side by 3. So here we will get y is equals to minus 6 by 3. So here we will get minus 2x plus 5 by 3. Now compare this equation with its general form. So here we will get m is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to 5 by 3. So hope you understood that how to reduce a given equation into slope-intercept form. Now next question here I will discuss, that is how to reduce the given equations into an intercept form. Intercept form means that is x upon a plus y upon b, which is equals to 1. Into this form I have to reduce our given equation. So here our first equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12, which is equals to 0. Now while you will observe this general form, so you may observe this constant towards RHS. So first of all I have to shift this minus 12 to RHS. So here I will get 3x plus 2y, which is equals to 12. Now here I want 1 in place of a constant. Here all the time I just want 1 here. So what I should do? Divide both the side by 12. So if I divide, here I will get 3x upon 12 plus 2y upon 12, which is equals to 12 by 12. So here you will get 3 4s are, so x upon 4 plus y upon 6, which is equals to 1. Now compare it with this form. So here we are getting a is equals to 4 and b means 6. It means here we can write, therefore x-intercept is equals to 4 and y-intercept is equals to 6. Now here one more question I want to discuss. Here next question is 3y plus 2 equals to 0. Now obviously I will shift this to that side, and here x value I don't know. So here I will write 0x plus 3y, which is equals to minus 2. Now, to get here 1, what I will do? Divide both the side by minus 2. So, here we'll get 0x plus 3 upon y minus 2, which is equals to 1. So, here we'll get 0x plus, if this 3, I will shift in the denominator. So, I will get y upon minus 2 by 3, which is equals to 1. So, here y-intercept, which is equals to minus 2 by 3, and here we cannot write that 0x upon 0. That x-intercept as 0 we cannot write because 0 by 0 form is not defined in mathematics. So here we have to write down no intercept of on x-axis. So that time our answer will be no intercept. Here we cannot write 0 because 0 by 0 form is not defined in mathematics. Hope how to reduce into slope intercept form and intercept form it is understood to you. Thank you.